Good morning, everybody. Todd here, and welcome back to another Monday Morning Mindfulness. So let's just start with something simple that you're experiencing in this moment. It could be a tree swaying gently in the wind, the warmth of the sun on your skin, or maybe the experience of comfort from the chair or couch that you're sitting on, or the simple wonder of pausing in the middle of our busy day to engage with this practice right now. Just choose one thing, notice it, and allow it to fully be your experience. Let appreciation and gratitude arise and fill your body and mind. Now, if you'd like, go ahead and close your eyes and bring to mind somebody you don't know well, but who's supported your experience today or yesterday in some way. It could be a bus driver, the person who stacked fruit in the grocery store, or the author of a book that you're reading right now. Just allow yourself to feel how you've benefited from the gift of their work. Allow yourself to feel appreciation and gratitude. Now, think about the tools that you use to support your work and your life. Your computer, your books, your home, piece of equipment you use often, like a car or a bike. Choose one thing and consider all that was needed for its creation. Appreciate and feel gratitude that you have access to these tools. Feel gratitude for the people you work and live with. Think of a particular person whose work or effort directly supports your work in life. Appreciate their contribution, their good intention. Saying in your mind to them, "Thank you." Now bring to mind someone you care about. Really picture them in your mind. Think about what this person means to you. What do you appreciate about them? Who they are, and what you've experienced together. Think of the experience they've had in your life. As you imagine them, notice what feelings you are experiencing, what sensations you detect in your body, especially those in the area around your heart. Let yourself express gratitude towards them, thanking them for being who they are and for their presence in your life. Imagine them receiving your gratitude. Now, bring to mind something in particular you're grateful for today. Feel the appreciation and gratitude for its presence in your life. As you bring these things to mind for what you're grateful, allow yourself to just be in that experience. When you cultivate the practice of gratitude, you may even find yourself to be able to be grateful for difficult or unpleasant experiences. So I'd like for you, if you would, to bring to mind an experience in your life that's been challenging, one for which you'd like to be able to express gratitude for. Offer your gratitude and appreciation. Thank this challenge for what it may offer you or has offered you. gratitude for our body, even though it may hurt. Gratitude for our mind, even though it may be chaotic. Gratitude for the simple fact of being alive in this moment. Finally, appreciate the opportunity to pause and experience this very act of practicing gratitude in and of itself. For all that you've brought to mind during this session. For all the countless gifts in your life, say thank you. To all the people, to all that is around you and part of you, for all that you have experienced in your life, for all of this, thank you. Just allow this sense of gratitude to fill you completely as you breathe in and breathe out. Settling on the breath, right here, right now. Fully alive and present in this very moment. Finish with a deep breath in and a long, slow breath out. Just return your awareness to the place where you are. And if you'd like to extend this practice, cultivate this habit of thinking something you feel grateful for every morning, right when you wake up. You may also find it helps to write this down in a journal. If you miss the morning opportunity, that's okay. You may also try expressing appreciation at any point of the day to a person for whom you feel grateful for, to a situation that you are grateful for. All you simply need to do is to stop, pause, and simply say, thank you. Until the next time, may you be well, and of course, thank you for listening.